display at the same building she used to pay her public housing rents at. That's insane, that's amazing, right? And so often I used to be her voice growing up in St. Louis Park, and so I remember we would go to a doctor's visit, and she'd be like, Nadia, in Somali, right? She'd be like, Nadia, tell the doctor that you have a stomach ache, right? A stomach ache. And I would turn to the doctor and I would say, my mom said that I have a stomach ache. Right? And so I get to be her voice here once again and tell her story.
Yes.
And I tell the story for two reasons, right? Not to gather some sympathies or pity, because honestly you can keep that and you get to the next person. But I want to highlight the story for two main reasons. From the first day I announced back in 2019 for my council seat, I was asked, where did I find this courage to run for office at such a young age? And to that, I now get to answer and say, it's because I have watched a courageous woman handle her business every day and every single time.
Yeah.
That courage comes easy to me now, right? And the second reason is because my mother's story is one part of the St. Louis Park story.